educated American surgeon Henry Beecher was serving in World War II. He ran out of morphine when he was about to operate on a badly wounded soldier. One of the nurses filled a syringe with saline and gave the soldier a shot, just as if she were injecting him with morphine. The soldier calmed down right away. He reacted as though he had actually received the drug, even though all he had received was a squirt of salt water. Hello friends. Adversity introduces a man to himself. Life was going as smooth as a pancake. Who has thought a time will come wherein we will start doubting the person standing close to us of being affected by COVID? It is said that when life gives us rainy days, one should play in the puddles. And that's what we all Indians have done. We were living a life of hustle and survival, and suddenly our life was upside down due to the arrival of COVID-19, and we all were locked wherever we were. This lockdown has brought a lot of struggles in our lives. Chores have increased. Getting grocery is not an easy task anymore. Work from home has turned into only work, no home, and many more. But it has given us tremendous opportunity to connect with our own selves, to connect with who we are, which a lot of us have never got due to their busy lives and responsibilities. Social media is full of posts, wonderful posts of paintings done by the people who have held the brush in their hands for the first time. Wonderful dance performances by couples, roommates, and even rare combinations of mother-in-law and daughter-in-laws. New and innovative dishes cooked by the people who have never crossed the border of kitchen in their life just to get a glass of water. This lockdown has proved that money is just a tool that helps us to buy things, but not happiness. It has inspired people to value the things that bring real happiness to them. It has given us the opportunity to realize the value of relationships, family and friends, and most importantly, the importance of being self-dependent. Yes. I have also learned in this time that it is very important that we are staying in our own country, because during this time of pandemic, every country is catering to the needs of their own countrymen as priority. What next? This lockdown is going to end soon, but we haven't got the vaccine yet. It is imperative that we remain emotionally and mentally strong to face this phase of adversity. So today I am going to share some tips with you that will help you pass this phase in a better way. But before I do that, let me talk about the placebo effect. Placebo, have you heard of it? Do you remember the instance I shared at the beginning of the video, wherein the soldier got the feeling of morphine with just the saline water? Yes, placebo is a dummy medicine that is given to a patient for psychological benefit rather than physiological benefit. So, two studies were recently conducted by the University of Toledo, wherein researchers wanted to find out how mind can determine what a person perceives and experiences in life. So, they divided the group of volunteers into pessimists and optimists based on the questions they have answered in a diagnostic survey. In the first study, researchers gave them a placebo and said this drug will make them feel unwell. Pessimists shown major negative reactions than the optimists. In the second study, researchers gave the same placebo but said that it will help them sleep better. And optimists reported to sleep have a better sleep than pessimists. Optimists tend to take the suggestion in a positive way, and because they're always looking for the positive outcome, for the best future scenario. Whereas pessimists, they got the negative reaction because they conceived the suggestion as a negative and they were thinking of the worst possible outcome. It seems as if optimists unconsciously were producing chemicals that were helping them to sleep better, whereas pessimists were unconsciously created a pharmacy of chemicals that made them feel unwell. Exactly in the same environment, people with a positive mindset face the positive situations and people with the negative mindset face the negative situations. The first one is start your day with a sense of gratitude. In your gratitude journal, write 10 things that you are grateful for in the present moment. It gives you a sense of happiness and fulfillment at the beginning of the day. The second thing is plan out your day. Write down the things you're supposed to do in the day, maybe related to home or work. It keeps you more focused. The third thing is exercise. One thing this pandemic has taught very well and made us very clear that all our valuable possessions hold no value until we can use them. So no matter wherever you are in terms of your health, take one step forward for the betterment of your health. Focus on the moment. Don't forget the things that are right in front of you. When you focus on the moment, you understand that where your main power lies to respond, which is in the moment. Meditate. Washing clothes is a regular process in our home, isn't it? But what about the mind? Doesn't it cleaning and washing regularly? Meditation helps it to do that. Meditation should make sure that we meditate regularly. It helps us filter out the negative thoughts, make us more mindful and present in the moment. Avoid news and social media at the beginning of the day. Whenever an earthquake has happened, whenever it has been predicted, it has never happened that time. Mostly it has happened when it is unpredicted. Right? So if earthquake has happened, it will happen to you first. Then the news reporters will talk about it in the news. But if you listen to the news at the first thing in the morning, your day will start with a threat and fear, which is not good for you when you want to have a happy and peaceful day. Avoid having COVID conversations. Now, it is more likely that you are meeting people at your workplace after a long time. The hot topic is COVID. So they tend to have conversations about COVID. Make a polite excuse and get out of the conversation. Because what is more important? That you and your family have mental peace. That is the most important thing to have at this moment. Right? So don't get into the COVID conversations. In the end, I would say, brace yourself for the storms. Adversity is inevitable, my friends. Be well prepared to face this worst case situation if we have to, and face it with strength and push the difficulties through the blue skies. My friends, if you like this video, please like this video and share with as many people as you can. If you're able to follow 2 things from this video, the tips that I've shared, and if you know about the placebo effect, put it in the comments that what do you like about the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed so far. Click on the bell icon at the top so you always get notified whenever a new video is released. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day, blessed life. Stay healthy, stay safe.